Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know what is the reason of you getting high impressions and low clicks. So today we are going to tackle a common issue that many advertisers encounter: high impression and low clicks in Google Ads. You might be wondering why your ads are getting tons of impression but not generating enough clicks. Well, you are just not alone, and we are here to shed some light on the problem. So now, impressions versus the click, a quick recap. Before we dive into the reason behind this dilemma, let's briefly clarify what impressions and click means in the word of Google Ads. Impressions are the number of times your ads is being shown to the visitor, while the clicks represent the number of times users actually clicks on your ad. So now the challenge: high impressions and low clicks. The challenge arises when you have a substantial number of impressions but the CTR seems to be on the lower side. This means people are seeing your ad but not taking the desired action of clicking on it. A high impression, low click scenario can affect your ads performance and ultimately the ROI. So now the common reasons for high impressions and low clicks. One of the main reasons is the relevancy of the keyword. One of the most frequent culprits is using keywords that may generate impression but are necessarily not relevant to your ad. This can attract the wrong audience and resulting in a low CTR. Second thing is the ad copy quality. Weak ad copy that fails to engage or clearly convey your offer can discourage users from clicking. Crafting compelling ad text is crucial. Third is the ad positioning. Your ads position on the search engine result pages matter. Ads appearing at the bottom may get more impressions but fewer clicks. The negative keywords. Neglecting to use the negative keywords can lead to irrelevant clicks. Exclude keywords that don't align within your goal. And the fourth thing is the solution and strategies. The keyword relevance. Review and refine your keyword list regularly. Focus on high relevant keywords that match user intent. We need to write compelling ads. Invest time in crafting compelling ad copy. Highlight unique selling points. Use strong call to actions and address user pain points. Ad positioning strategy. Consider adjusting your bidding strategy to aim for higher ad positions which can increase CTR. The main thing is the use negative keywords. Utilize negative keyword to filter out the irrelevant click. This can really help you improve your ad CTR. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.